In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset Skype password. We'll walk through the process on the official Skype website so you can get back into your account quickly and securely. Before we start, make sure you can access the email inbox linked to your Skype account since we'll need a verification code. First, open your web browser and go to the official Skype website. Always check that the address bar shows a legitimate Microsoft or Skype domain to avoid phishing pages. Next, in the top right corner, click Sign In, then choose Use Skype Online. This takes you to the web version so you can recover your account without installing anything. When prompted, type the email address associated with your Skype account and click Next. Enter it carefully. Even a small typo will prevent the system from finding your account. On the sign-in page, select Forgot Password. This starts the account recovery flow provided by Microsoft. You'll now choose how you want to get a verification code. In most cases, email is selected by default. Confirm the method you can access right now, then click Get Code. If you see a partially hidden email, make sure it matches your address. Open your email inbox in a new tab or window. Look for the message from Microsoft and copy the verification code inside. If it doesn't arrive after a minute or two, refresh your inbox and check your spam or junk folder. Return to the Skype recovery page, paste the code exactly as shown, and click Next. Codes are time limited, so use it promptly. If it expires, simply request a new one. Now create a new password, enter it once, then confirm it by typing it again and click Next. Choose a strong password you haven't used before, ideally with a mix of upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid common words or easily guessed details, and consider using a reputable password manager to store it securely. Your password is now reset. Click Sign In and log in using your new password to confirm everything worked. If you had been signed in on other devices, you may need to re-enter this new password there as well. You've successfully reset your Skype password. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Skype tips and tutorials.